This is Pimped Out, where we take unsuspected clients' cars and give them a whole new look. Stay tuned.
It's nice to see you again.
I know, right? It's crazy.
Okay. So we're gonna do an oil change and then the door too.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, so this specific customer here, her name is Beverley Samuels. She's been with us for many years before LACDJR took over. And I just think that she is the perfect candidate.
Okay, so tell me a little bit about this VIP.
All right, so this VIP here, her name is Beverley Samuels. She's been with our company for many years. She's been here since Motor Village, LA.
Wow,
And
so
now
another
she
loyal one.
continues to be a loyal customer with Los Angeles Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram.
All right.
And she's very friendly.
And she looks like she loves her Jeep.
As you can see, it's a 2007.
Wow.
Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at her Jeep.
So it looks nice, but definitely has a lot of wear and tear.
Yes, it does.
I mean, 2007, it's 2021 now.
Yes.
I can tell the top needs a little love. The paint needs a little love, but I mean, overall that doesn't look too bad. Maybe if we add a graphic to it, it kind of takes your eye to that.
Right.
Put some nice wheels and tires on it.
Sounds great to me.
Figure out how to make this look black again.
Yes.
So it looks a little
Yes.
off.
Even the door handles. And
Yeah.
The
And then
interior is
whoa.
kind of, yeah, the interior.
Okay. Interior is a little beat. So we can add some Katzkin to it, maybe?
Yeah.
All right, I'll
You'd
sit
be
with
happy.
the guys. I'll sit with the guys and go over everything. But I was looking at the headlights too when we're walking up. They look a little weathered.
Yes. Also these.
Yeah,
Little-
all this stuff. Okay, so we'll add our West Coast touch,
Yes.
some refresh, and then get it back to her right away.
Let's do it.
All right. Okay. So I just met with Suhei. She gave me kind of not a whole lot of notes because I think this Jeep is actually in decent shape, but you can see the wear and tear on it.
Right.
So I think we need to figure out like how do we freshen it up, you know?
Yep.
Like if we add a graphic on the side, I think it'll take your eyes away from, you know, focusing on
Some
the
of
paint
the
as
age.
much. Yeah. Do something with the headlights. I know that they make that kit that you can refresh them.
Yep, we could do
Sand
some
and
of
polish
the
it, and
Oracle
then- yeah, maybe-
headlight treatment.
Wheels and tires, I think for sure. And then whatever you think we can do to like some of like the handles and the latches and like everything looks worn out. So I don't know
What if we do a street edition more so than an off-road edition with this truck?
Yeah, I agree. The
Nice.
interior, maybe you can call the guys at Katzkin and see if they can come and do an interior kit.
Do a little refresh on
Yeah.
the leather.
But other than that, I think this should be an easy one. We should be able to knock it out pretty quick. All right, so finish that, Moose, and then get Lorenzo a parts list so we can get these parts and so we can get going.
Sounds good.
All right,
Let's do it.
Cool. Thank you, guys.
Thank you. Okay, guys, we're here at the Jeep. Musa and I just met with Ryan and we just went over all the details and what this Jeep's gonna look like. So let's go over here and show you how it's gonna perform now. We got a great set of new Contact Sport all-terrain light truck and SUV tires from Continental, which are gonna be kind of the instrumental part of making this Jeep drive and look just as good as it does on-road and off-road. So these tires are run flat tires. They're gonna make it easy to stop and easy to drive in all weather conditions, as well as going off-road for that occasional, off-road experience.
Yeah.
Before you leave. So this is what we're thinking of doing.
Nice.
Like you said, simple, Wheel and tires.
I like that little graphic too.
Yeah,
it's
definitely.
simple, but I
Yeah.
think it gives your eye something to look at, you know? So you're not trying
Headlight
to,
replacement.
I like that.
Yeah.
Dope.
Simple.
All right,
Cool.
approved.
All right.
Now let's get them to get it done.
So as the team talked about, we have to do something for the headlights because they're fogged over, a lot of age. So what we have for that is some Oracle LEDs that have the halos. It's gonna give a much better line of sight. We're also putting on some mirror covers that incorporate LEDs. And something new from Oracle Light is these sidetrack lights. They're LEDs and they act as courtesy lights and also to see what's next to you or if you're backing up. So I'm gonna lift up the hood and get the headlights up.
So as you guys can see, these lights are very old and oxidized. The brightness on them is fairly poor. Surprised that she can even see at night with these lights. Yes, they are.
12 times.
12 times brighter.
Hey guys, we're back here, day 2 of the Jeep Wrangler 4-door build. I've got Louie over here to my right and Scott to my left working on the Oracle products. We're installing some amazing mirrors and some side marker lights to make the ease of use and on and off-road experience for our customer here.
All right, so day 2. We're here at Autotronica with Nick and Ross from Katzkin, and we're gonna get some new interior for the Jeep. All right, so we just got our seats back from Katzkin. I think the customer's gonna be very excited because they look awesome. So I'm gonna get them installed.
We are installing a set of Grid GD08 wheels on our 2007 Jeep Wrangler. This time, we're taking an off-road wheel from Grid and we're putting it on street tires. So she'll have a kind of a look of an off-road, but she'll have the comfort of a street tire. Now that you got your wheels test fitted, the next step is you take your wheels and you put them on your tire machine. Once you put them on your tire machine, you grab your valve stem. If your vehicle has sensors, you go ahead and you swap your sensors over. In this case, this vehicle does not have sensors, so we use a regular valve stem and we install our valve stem. Once we install our valve stem, you grab your Continental tire and then you go ahead and you lube it up. Now, once you've already lubed up your tire, you go ahead and you use your tire machine and you go ahead and you install your tire onto your rim. Once you're done mounting your tire on your rim, you go ahead and you bring it over to your balance machine. Once you get it on your balance machine, then you get all your correct measurements. The size of your rim, how wide your rim is, and how deep your rim is.
vehicle is currently sitting upstairs. I know it's not a usual thing where you pick up your car upstairs.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Hi, I'm Ryan.
Hi, how you doing?
Nice to meet you.
Good. Good. Nice to meet you too.
She doesn't know anything?
No, she doesn't know anything.
So we're gonna give you a little surprise.
What, young recall?
You turn a recall into a surprise. That's what we do.
Well, you know I'm old, so.
So what, you nervous?
No, just that I'm trying to see
Yeah, you
what Wowser's at.
We know you're a great VIP here at the dealership. And you know, you got your...
But you know I'm a bitch too, right?
Oh no!
They didn't tell you that part?
No, they didn't tell me that part. They left that part out.
Yeah. I mean, I love them, but they know me.
Well, but they love you. So
I love them too, but I guess that car is like, I mean, it's like 15 years old.
So we brought it up here, and I had my guys add a couple little touches to it. Hopefully, you love it.
Okay, so where's Wowser at?
Right in front of you.
That is not Wowser.
That's Wowser.
That is not Wowser. Are you kidding? That's Wowser?
That's Wowser. So we gave Wowser a refresh.
Get the hell out. That
We
is
did
not Wowser.
we did some new headlights for you. We added a couple little silver touches to it. So we did some graphics down the side. Put some new wheels and tires on it.
That is not Wowser. You gotta be kidding me.
But look at, and we refreshed your insides.
OMG, you gotta be kidding me. What in the world? No way. OMG.
We didn't want to go too crazy because we know that you like things simple. So we just kept it simple but added some touches to it.
Only because it's like my fourth Jeep with them, and it was the very first four-door one they made in 2006.
I mean, this is 2007. It looks beautiful.
OMG! This is great. Thank you guys so much. Man, I'm so happy. Wow. Man. I bought my first Jeep. It was a two-door from them at that time. This was my final Jeep purchase. That was in 2006, and I've had it ever since. And she's been good to me ever since. And they've been good to me, so I love them, and they know me, good, bad, and different, and so I'm very happy with their products.